Well, one child has reportedly lost his life and almost 15 students of the Dayanand Public School injured after the school roof in fact collapsed. The school is located in the Barola village of Noida. The district magistrate has ordered an inquiry against the school, and also the police has detained the owner of the site who was constructing the wall. My colleague Upasana Bakshi now joins me live for more. Upasana, we understand that the owner of the neighbouring building, the wall of the building which collapsed, has in fact been arrested?
Yeah, Jessica, he has been detained by the police and they're investigating, they're looking into the entire aspects of what the reasons could be because of which the roof collapsed on the students.
Right.
And another, the district magistrate has also ordered investigation into the matter because the magistrate wants to know that why were the students of RCJ Public School sitting outside the class and why were they studying in open. Now, one student is dead and the number of injured students has now increased to 18 from 15, out of which 3 students are reportedly critically injured, and all the injured students have been admitted in a nearby Zilla hospital. And as per the sources, soon the district magistrate will be visiting the hospital also to look after.
You know, Upasana, there are several unanswered questions at this point in time, but what is the medical condition of those 18 students who have in fact been admitted to the Zilla hospital, as you've been reporting?
Out of 18 students, as per the hospital, 3 are seriously injured and others had minor injuries, and soon they'll be sent back to their homes. The wardens have reached the school as well as the hospital. But one investigation here that is very important is that there were not enough medical facilities within the school also. Now the school is running in a well-known sector of Noida, had no medical facilities A, B. In case of emergency situation, they had no first aid available, and why were the students standing in open? So there are several unanswered questions.
Absolutely.
We are looking for an answers, and very soon whenever we are out with the answers, we'll let our viewers know.
Well, absolutely shocking case there. One child has in fact lost his life, 18 others in hospital, and as my colleague Upasana Bakshi has been reporting, there were not even the basic first aid facilities that were available at the school premises. Thanks, Upasana, for that update. We're going to continue to track developments on that story very closely.